The FCC is submitting proposals to get rid of a Biden-era rule mandating that internet service providers allow consumers to compare prices and avoid hidden fees. The FCC says that the rule adds unnecessary burdens for companies, but backers of this new rule argue that it could help customers avoid junk fees, price hikes, and other unexpected costs. The FCC proposal is up for a vote on October 28th.
Spirit Airlines is receiving a much-needed lifeline. A U.S. bankruptcy court approved a $475 million lifeline for the airline and a $150 million payment from aircraft leasing company AerCap. This will allow Spirit to continue operating while it continues to cut back on costs. Spirit filed for a second Chapter 11 bankruptcy in August.
Well, the future is now the box office. The latest chapter in the Tron franchise earns $33.5 million. Channing Tatum's Roof Man opens in second place with $8 million. And Leonardo DiCaprio's One Battle After Another dips down to third place with just under $7 million in ticket sales.
All right, tonight in Starbase, Texas, SpaceX will attempt its latest Starship test launch. This will be the 11th test overall and the first one since August. They will also reuse a Super Heavy booster from a previous flight. The booster is scheduled to splash down in the Gulf. SpaceX is hoping to make more progress in getting the mega rocket ready to bring actual astronauts back to the moon. And that launch is not expected to happen until at least 2027. The 75-minute launch window opens just after 7 p.m. You can watch it live on a live stream on the SpaceX social media feeds.
Well, it looks like a planned mega movie studio merger might not actually happen. According to Bloomberg, Warner Brothers Discovery, they're rejecting a takeover bid from Paramount Skydance. Warner Brothers reportedly rejected Paramount's offer of around $20 per share, saying it was just too low. Right now, it's not clear if Paramount plans to counteroffer. The merger would combine two of the biggest movie studios in Hollywood, along with TV networks like CBS, Discovery, and HBO. The deal could also create one massive streaming service that could give serious competition to Netflix.
Okay, there's a short window to catch the Parthenon and a good view of it because for the first time in nearly 2 decades, visitors to Athens can see the Parthenon completely free of scaffolding. The framework has been up since the early 2000s. It was finally removed in late September, but the moment will not last long. Lighter scaffolding will return next month as restoration work on that structure continues through 2026.
That light show is cool, though.
Yeah, it is.
It is, all right. Well, it was definitely a wild weekend for crypto investors. Bitcoin and other major tokens lost more than 20% on Saturday in just a matter of a few short hours. Traders who had borrowed heavily to bet on rising prices were caught off guard by President Trump's clash with China, which triggering a wave of forced liquidations that accelerated the crash. Over $9 billion in crypto value disappeared in just 24 hours. It was the worst day for crypto since April. Things started to rebound a little bit on Sunday, recovering about a third of those losses.